Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of duffel bags. And I'm excited to introduce you to what I believe is the best of the best. The Adidas Unisex Adult Defender 4 Medium Duffel Bag. Now, before we delve into the specifics, let me tell you why this duffel bag stands out among the rest. Whether you're hitting the gym, embarking on a weekend getaway, or simply need a reliable bag for your everyday adventures, the Adidas Defender 4 Medium Duffel has got you covered. Let's talk about durability. Constructed with 100% polyester and featuring a water-resistant base, this bag is built to withstand whatever life throws at it. From rigorous gym sessions to outdoor escapades, you can trust that your belongings will stay safe and dry. Now, let's talk about space. The extra roomy main compartment is designed to stand tall, making it incredibly easy to pack and access your essentials. Whether you're tossing in your gym clothes, shoes, or travel gear, there's plenty of space to accommodate everything you need. But what really sets this duffel apart is its thoughtful organization. With 2 zippered end pockets and an additional zippered outside pocket, you'll have ample space to stash your smaller items while keeping them easily accessible. Say goodbye to rummaging through your bag to find your keys or phone. Now, let's talk about comfort. Whether you're carrying it over your shoulder or by the top handles, this bag offers unbeatable comfort and support. The adjustable shoulder strap is padded for added comfort, ensuring that you can carry your belongings with ease, no matter how heavy they may be. And of course, we can't overlook the sleek and sporty design of the Adidas Defender 4 Medium Duffel Bag. With its classic black and white colorway and iconic Adidas logo, this bag effortlessly combines style with functionality. Whether you're hitting the gym or running errands, you'll be doing it in style. Now, you might be wondering about the price. Well, let me tell you, this bag offers incredible value for money. With its exceptional quality, durability, and versatility, it's truly an investment that will last you for years to come. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for a duffel bag that ticks all the boxes: durability, space, organization, comfort, style, and value, look no further than the Adidas Unisex Adult Defender 4 Medium Duffel Bag. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy adventuring.